Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope so you all are fine and enjoying the winter. Thanks for watching my videos. Mm, Today I'm gonna show you some beautiful patterns of crochet vests. As I knit crochets, you make crafts, draft pictures, photographs, and I would like to make the videos about it. I like to create something handmade for my family, for my friends. I share my few patterns, interesting projects, and inspiration to create wonderful things on the crochet pattern, my channel, so that all of you should be happy with my video. Simply crochet motifs for beginners are the foundation for studying this amazing skill. Many new crocheters get so excited about finding out how crochet patterns should be made and how to look trendy and gorgeous. This beautiful crochet pattern vest will help you to enjoy your winter season. People start learning these amazing crafts just to give up in 2 or 3 days. They choose to projects involving the stitches and require skill and patience, such as many different patterns, many colorful patterns. Circle vests for ladies is one of the countless simple projects for beginners. It's not something that could be artistic work. You can make it solid color or even pick up colorful threads if you are crocheting vests for yourself. For women's, you know quite well, you can select one preferred color or merely go crazy with different shades regardless of who you are crafting it for, though bear in mind that unlike vest circle vest is not an easily adjustable project, so you are highly recommended to take measurements, look around, and you'll see that crochet pieces of clothing are solid in large amounts. The issue is even the most inexpensive of these items cost at least many of more than $40. Yet if you remember how to crochet, it won't be difficult to locate free amazing patterns to crochet on handmade clothing. Contemporary crocheters have so many ways to obtain a beautiful vests. Many crochet patterns, and beautiful laces can be applied. There is a perfectly fitting projects for many girls, and working on your own sweaters and vest is a perfect mean to join the popular DIY moments. Crochet allows crafters to take a hook and yarn and do everything they want.